Yeah.
Where's she going now?
Don't know. Leah, you forgot your spoon. She's really just walking. This is great. Oh, she's getting another spoon out. That's what she's. That's exactly what she's doing. She wants to get another one. Yeah, let's let her do it.
Eventually, we don't really want her doing stuff.
Yeah, but this is so cute. So now she's gonna probably.
Maybe she wants to put it back.
Oh yeah. You're not gonna be able to reach that.
Yeah, you have to go around.
No, you have to go around. You're not allowed to climb on there. Go around.
Иди вокруг туда. Идем? Молодец. Осторожно. Так, иди вокруг. Все? Молодец.
Now you should grab a different one so you can go put that in your room. This is bad to encourage.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
She grabbed a fork. Вилку? Ты взяла вилку? Ты мне даешь?
It's a gift.
Хочешь назад?
Okay, Leah, go take that to your room. Like you did with the spoon. Go take it to your room. Wow, she's so coordinated. For someone who's so uncoordinated. So cute. This is the greatest video I've ever seen.
Follow her right there.
Oh, she's crawling now.
Oh,
What are you
it's probably the
doing?
step that made her fall over.
Yeah. She just threw it.
Oh, this time she just threw it.
Are you gonna do that with all the silverware in the dishwasher?
One by one. Come on, Dia. No, stop. Stop by. Stop by. Молодец.
It's so cute how she walks with her arms up. Leah, you know you can put your arms down when you walk.
House balance. It's gonna take her a while.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video now.
Well, let's just see if she grabs another one.
That's what she's doing.
But
She's gonna
that's her
empty the
intent.
entire dishwasher.
This is gonna take a long time.
She's already breathing hard.
Oh, should probably stay there. You can see where she puts it.
This is officially my favorite movie of all time.
We haven't seen it yet.
Okay, we should probably stop this.
Yeah.
We can maybe figure out a way that we can show it off to people when they come over.
Yeah.
Okay, bye Leah. Say bye-bye to the camera. Sorry for making you fall.
Yeah.